Assalamualaikum. I hope you are all doing well, my dear brother and sister. Uh, my name is Nur Alam. Welcome back to English Habit. So today I am going to talk about how can your learning journey continue. So this topic is very important because if you are a beginner learner, so uh, it is yes always okay. So today's topic most important, so uh, you can see until the end video. Okay, so let's get our started video. So if you are a beginner learner, so uh, you want to learn English, you want to learn speak, you want to speak English, okay, whenever. So if you follow only one things, but two system, your English learning journey continue. Okay, first thing is very important. First thing, uh, if you want to learn English, okay, so that's why you other work and English journey continue, first thing. Okay, and second thing is very important, all everything beside only just one things and deeply learn English. Okay, so two way your English learning continue, but choose only one way. Okay, so if you are a really want to English speak, so second thing is very important, because all time, all everything, if you're thinking English, that's why you'll improve very soon. But uh, if you follow first thing, so that's why your learning journey, your growth and your improvement, English improvement, not very soon. Okay, so that's why if you really learn English, so you can choose second things, fully deeply research, fully deeply thinking, always your mindset positive, always all everything positive. So and then your growth day by day, very soon growth. Okay, so I suggest you, if you are a beginner learner, uh, first time you continue consistency, your life habit make, but everyday practice, everyday learning, everyday listening, everyday continuous speaking, everyday in front of camera, video make, okay, and everyday in front of mirror talk. Okay, so everyday learning, everyday practice. So I hope inshallah you will be success, and if you really learn English, so you start your journey right now. Okay, uh, I want to only just one things, uh, please don't wait your perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. So that's why everyday learning, keep practicing, and everyday consistent, and never give up. Okay, I hope you learned something this video. So thank you so much watching this video. See you soon and next video. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.